I'm Dr. James. Is it Meschino or Meschino?
Meschino.
Meschino.
Wow, we have expert help. Dr. James Meschino.
It is Dr. James Meschino, who belongs to the Academy.
Good. We have Dr. James Meschino in with the wrinkle-free.
You can reduce the likelihood of arthritis developing, that the arteries narrowing and leading to heart disease and stroke, that your brain undergoes decline, that your bones demineralize. You have much more control over those things than most people realize.
I'm the program director for the first and only existing integrative cancer fellowship in the United States. And I was impressed enough with Dr. Meschino that I asked him to lecture for me in my fellowship. So that's how we got to know each other.
I was a phys ed student originally in university. And so I knew that exercise was an important feature. And then I went to chiropractic college and learned all the body's biomechanics, anatomy, physiology. And when I started seeing patients in practice, I realized there were still some things I was missing to really coach people through, good lifestyle practices. So I went back to school. I did a master's degree in science with specialties in nutrition and biology. And that opened a whole new window. I started to see the importance of how nutrition impacted the body's physiology and could drive pathways in your body either towards disease or away from disease.
Dr. Meschino, his nutritional knowledge is basically second to none that I have met. Virtually every sentence and every word he says is backed up by some study. He has been doing this for the past 25 years or so, and I would say he is one of the foremost experts on nutrition that I have ever met.
And later I did a naturopathic degree and did a fellowship at the American Academy of Anti-Aging Research. And so, I've really just kept looking at the studies and the research and working with people to see, can you do things proactively in your lifetime that can reduce your likelihood of developing these degenerative diseases that catch up with us as we get older. People put into place proactive strategies around diet, activity, the right supplements, stress management, weight management, avoiding known cancer-causing agents as much as they can, that your chances for a long, healthy life are absolutely outstandingly good. The problem is most people don't put it into place, or when they try to, they often don't know exactly what to do. So the idea is to take the confusion out of it and give them a program that's realistic and practical.